Hello, my name's Kate, and I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of learning hypnobirthing. Hypnobirthing will enable you to birth your baby within your control in a much calmer way. And if you think about anything that is within your control, then obviously calmness enters into it. When you're in a position where you don't feel that you're in control, then fear enters and you don't feel calm and everything tenses up. Just as if somebody ran towards you with a pointed stick, you'd probably tense up. Your eyes would close if they were pointing at your eyes, etc. And just the same as if you think when you were actually creating your baby, if you were in an environment where you felt comfortable, you felt in control, then I'm sure you will agree it was a much more enjoyable experience than if you created your baby where you felt that you were observed and you needed a permission slip from the doctor and people were going to be barging in and taking notes and practicing their measurements taken or whatever it was they needed pictures of to write their thesis, then you could see that that would not be an enjoyable experience for you. Whereas when you feel that you're in control, you can be calm, you can just enjoy it. And this is what hypnobirthing teaches you, because the word hypnosis is very confusing for people that don't actually understand what the word means. People get hung up on the hypno part of the word, which does indicate sleep, but it's actually the gnosis part of the word, which indicates knowledge, heightened concentration. And whenever you concentrate in a particular area, the surrounding areas become diminished. So this is how we can utilize a hypnotic technique to create a feeling of calm and safety by focusing on our breathing, our safety, our security, what it is that we'll feel comfortable with, rather than being worried about whatever that noise is over there. An example is if you are going off to sleep at night and you hear a noise, then you wake up. You think, what's that noise? Whereas if you know, oh, of course I can hear that noise because I'm not deaf, but it's just next door's cat. So I'm going to continue enjoying this place of calmness and safety that I've taken myself into. And that is something that you learn to do during hypnobirthing. You learn to take yourself into a place of calmness so that you can remain feeling in control and enjoy your experience of birthing your baby. There are many documented examples of how hypnosis can be used to decrease pain. You've only got to Google, there's read, where people have had surgery or tooth extractions using purely hypnosis. So you can see ordinary, everyday, normal birth can become painless quite easily when you learn these techniques. And you can learn them by yourself. You can learn them with your birth partner. You can also utilize them not just in labor, but while you're pregnant to help you to feel more in control and more calm and less anxious. And also after your baby's born, when you need to sort of have some deep relaxed time when you've only got 10 minutes while the baby's asleep. So that's why learning hypnotic techniques is actually, the best present, one of the best presents you can give yourself, other than your baby, of course, so that you can utilize it in your everyday life. And I would say it's really important to learn the techniques in a way that you feel comfortable. And whoever you're choosing as your teacher should be able to get the best way for you to learn. If you have any little lumps under the carpet psychologically, then you need someone who's a bit able to sort of deal with that. If you need someone who understands about physiology so that you can feel less fearful about that, then you need to make sure that whoever's ever teaching you your hypnobirthing techniques has that sort of training so that they can make sure that all the corners are got and you're not just repeating something that you don't actually believe because they haven't helped you to understand how it will work for you specifically. So that's really important, and it's important for you to practice and feel comfortable, and the more you practice, the more you will realize how easy it is for you to make that choice to remain calm and centered and have a lovely experience birthing your baby. So thank you.